Okay, guys, this is the next dress that I'm gonna make. Now, my lines is very crooked, but I try to fix them up. But just kind of giving you an idea. These is gonna be the two pieces that ties around the neck. So this is gonna be one of them wraparound connector skirts. So just kind of giving you guys an idea, like the triangle piece. So you cut like two triangle pieces, but I'm gonna clean this up and it's gonna be even. So the width of your breast, so if you got smaller breasts, guys, you can make this width smaller. If you got bigger breasts, make this width bigger. But these going to be the long ties that ties all the way around the neck. And then this other piece, I'm going to trace out my pencil skirt and make it. So I'm going to cut these out, then I'll come back and do the pencil skirt part. Alrighty, guys. Okay, next step, guys, you guys take a pencil dress or whatever that is your size and you lay it down. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. I'm going to cut out this piece. This is going to be the bottom of the skirt, and these is the two pieces that's going to tie. So I think this outfit is going to be a delay, guys. I literally lost the bluish turquoise thread. I got to figure out what bag I put it in. Not, I'm not going to be able to put it together for you guys today, but anyway, that's the next step. All right. Okay, guys. So far, once you do the pencil skirt and this piece, you'll overlap, and these pins are sticking me. You'll overlap this piece across each other, and then these is going to tie. So that's why I made them, ouch, so long, because these is actually you're going to tie these. And I won't be able to finish. I got to find the thread, guys. So, but I just want to kind of give you guys an idea. So once you make the pencil skirt, and then if you guys see, I overlapped one side over this way, one side over that way, and then it is going to, you know what I mean, you're going to tie it up, and it'll be complete. So, but I got to find the actual matching thread to be able to complete this. So just kind of want to show you how it should go. So yeah, you overlap, and if you want more cleavage, these pins are sticking me, make it farther apart. But if you want less cleavage, make it closer together when you crisscross these two pieces that goes over the top. So this is a gorgeous color. I just got to find the thread so I can complete this process. All right, guys, bye bye. Okay, guys, this is the finishing results of the dress that I made, guys. So I made this one, and if you see, I got it crisscross tying in the back, and I fanned it out to make it wider. You guys see that, to extend like that, to have it wider. But if you guys don't want it wider, you can just scrunch that part up and make it, you guys see, you can do it like that and make it a little bit smaller. But I love, love, love this color. And I have little bits of fabric left over. So I'm going to find some shoes, and I'm going to create some shoes that's really pretty that will go with this. I'm going to have to find some shoes. I don't know if I have some here, or if I will have to wind up going out and picking up some from a thrift store, or well, Plato's Closet, I would consider that like a thrift store, but they take in a lot of more name brand products. So this is the finishing results, guys. So if you guys want to make this dress, this is really easy, simple to make. So alrighty, guys, as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of that dress. Remember, if you don't like this color, you can make it in any color. So thank you guys so much for always watching, and happy sewing, guys. Bye-bye.